Euler's formula is a single equation that connects 5 of the most important numbers in math, which are e, I, pi, 1, and 0. You will learn how the components of this formula bridge the gap between algebra, calculus, and trigonometry. We will first define the parts of the formula, then visualize it as rotation on a grid, and finally derive the famous identity. Euler's formula states that the constant e raised to the power of I times x is equal to the cosine of x plus I times the sine of x. In this equation, the letter I represents the imaginary unit, which is defined as the square root of -1. To understand how this works, we must visualize the complex plane, which is a two-dimensional grid used for plotting numbers. On this grid, the horizontal axis represents real numbers and the vertical axis represents imaginary numbers. Any number can be plotted as a point on this plane by moving along the real axis and then moving up or down the imaginary axis. The right side of our formula represents a point that always stays exactly 1 unit away from the center of the grid. As the value of the angle x increases, the point e raised to the power of I times x rotates counterclockwise around the origin. This means that multiplying by an imaginary exponent does not make a number larger, but instead changes its direction in space. Building on this idea of movement, we can see how the formula describes a perfect circle with a radius of 1. Let's try a worked example by setting the value of the angle x to be pi, which represents a half turn around a circle. Starting from the right side of the circle, rotating by pi radians moves us to the far left side on the horizontal real axis. At this position, the cosine of pi is -1 and the sine of pi is 0, which leaves us with just -1. This shows that e raised to the power of I times pi is equal to -1 plus 0 imaginary units. By adding 1 to both sides of that equation, we arrive at the famous identity where e raised to the I pi plus 1 equals 0. Think about how surprising it is that a constant like e and an imaginary number can combine to equal a simple whole number. This formula is used every day in physics and engineering to describe periodic motions like sound waves and electrical signals. We have discovered that Euler's formula uses imaginary exponents to describe circular motion in the complex plane. By linking exponential growth to oscillation, we connected 5 fundamental constants in one elegant statement. This beautiful bridge remains one of the most profound insights in mathematics and invites you to keep exploring the patterns of the universe. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.